Embrace the mushroom charm of nature with our Mushroom Flowers Car Truck Window Decal Sticker, a delightful addition to your vehicle that celebrates the beauty of the outdoors. Available in 25 sizes and 32 vibrant colors. Crafted from Oracal 651 vinyl, each decal is computer cut. The 2.5 mm thickness and a 6-year outdoor rating means it can withstand the elements, from the scorching sun to the pouring rain, without losing its enchanting allure. Designed for easy application on the outside of your glass. With a clear, solvent-based permanent adhesive, they adhere firmly, ensuring that your love for nature shines through every season. With clear application tape, installation is a breeze. Let your vehicle tell a story of adventure and whimsy with this captivating mushroom and flower design. raddezigns.com. Stick with the best.